Hello friends, Namaskar. This is Vivek Bajaj. I am the co-founder of StockEdge, your favorite tool. Friends, first of all, let me start by saying a big thank you to you for using StockEdge for your own analysis the way we want you to do it. Friends, stock market is such a beautiful place, but only if you do it the right way, and StockEdge is committed to show you the right path of success in stock market. As part of our initiative, we keep on adding new features in StockEdge, and also we keep on adding new content around StockEdge so that you truly become an empowered investor or trader in the market. Friends, I'm very happy to make an announcement for this phenomenal output which we are creating again for you. It's called blogs. Friends, we have been working very hard for the last 2 to 3 months in developing phenomenal blogs and very relevant blogs for all of you. The website blog.stockage.com, you can see right behind me, is amazing platform where you can get lot of insights with respect to market, not just StockEdge. If you want to learn StockEdge exactly the way it should be used, this is a perfect platform for you. But beyond that, what we have recently added is lot of insights and lot of learning with respect to various aspects of market, which will truly make you a phenomenal trader and investor in market. Look at the kind of tools which we are giving to you. Look at the kind of outputs which we are giving to you. It's phenomenal. Please take advantage of these. Open this blog.stockage.com. It's really nice. Make sure you bookmark it. Come here regularly. Read them. They are very effective, and it will really help you to become a profitable financial market participant. Thank you for watching this video. Looking forward for your presence in my blog portal as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.